Welcome to AI in Marketing, your daily news update curated by Stan Bertello and generated by AI.
Today is Sunday, May 5th. Here is what we are covering. The news industry is caught in a tug-of-war between danger and opportunity as artificial intelligence, or AI, beckons it with the promise of human-like content creation. AI's adaptability in producing vast quantities of content can't be dismissed, but challenges persist in ensuring ethical use and maintaining the nuanced richness of human-written copy. Undeniably, AI has a role to play in the future of journalism, but balancing efficiency with editorial integrity is key. Does it matter if your social media influencer is a human or AI? For Gen Z, not so much. According to Sprout Social's 2024 Influencer Marketing Report, the younger generation displays a more pragmatic approach, focusing less on authenticity, valued by half of millennials, Gen X, and boomers, and more on a basic numbers game. In fact, for 47% of Gen Z respondents, an influencer's follower count is of prime importance. This startling indifference towards AI influencers may redefine brands' marketing strategies in the near future. So, whether it's an influencer with a heartbeat or algorithms, Gen Z's primary barometer is their popularity. Meet generative AI, the technology behind Google search that's quickly reshaping our online reality. Its advanced ability to predict, create, and refine content is leading us into a whole new era of digital communication, blurring the lines between human-generated and AI-generated content. Yet, as it ushers us into this exciting future, experts warn it may also cloud the transparency of information, raising questions of authenticity and trust. Teens are turning to AI chatbots such as Character.AI for companionship and emotional support. Character.AI, an AI chatbot service launched in 2022, attracts millions of mostly young users who engage with its varied selection of AI-powered personalities, ranging from therapeutic bots to pop culture characters. However, concerns are rising over users' emotional reliance on these AI companions and the potential repercussions for their social development, with numerous reported instances of AI chatbots potentially mishandling emotional counseling and, perhaps more troublingly, fostering an addiction-like dependence.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's Nytro marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.